So we have reviewed how we can break a big number down into two smaller numbers and then use distributive property to solve the problem with numbers. In in this video, we still use the same property, the same process, the same steps, except that now we add a little bit of algebra in it. All we do is we throw some letters in there, and then you just carry it. So here's an example. 7 times r plus 4. So you can use distributive property to simplify that, and then it's 7 times r plus 7 times 4. Then you simplify that. 7r is still 7r. 7 times 4 is 28. So now you have a term with a variable and another term that's just an integer. It's like one is a tiger, one is a horse. Two different things, apples and oranges, that there's nothing you can't do. Okay? So that's one example. I'm going to do another example. I'll do number 4. And again, it's distributive property, but be careful. I'm distributing -8 times 9 rather than a plus. This time I have a minus. So I do the same thing as minus, then I go back to -8 times 2n. -8 times 9 is -72. I keep the minus. Then -8 times 2 is -16n. And over here, double negative makes a positive. So I have, rather than -16, and I have positive 16n, and bring down the -72. Okay? So that's number 4. I think I'm going to do number 3 as well. Distribute, this time you distribute -10. -10 times 1, and it's a minus, so it's a minus. Go back to the number outside the parentheses, -10 times 10b. So that's how I have -10 here, minus 100b, because -10 times +10 gives me -100. So I leave the -10 unchanged. Over here, double negative makes a positive 100b. And that's my final answer there. These are my final answers. Okay, so make sure you finish the rest of the worksheet. If you don't understand it, pause the video, rewind it, and see how I perform these examples. And you should be able to pick it up pretty quickly. Thank you, guys.